In this video, we're going to be installing this Bank 1 Downstream O2 sensor. So it's the second O2 sensor underneath the vehicle, further back towards the back of the vehicle. Now we're going to disconnect the connector. You can reach up top and just follow the wire. The connector's located right here. Just want to try to push down on the tab and disconnect the connector. There we go. And slide that out. And slide the wiring harness down. There's the connector. Just push down on that tab and disconnect it. Now I'm going to use an O2 sensor socket. You can also try using a 7/8 wrench or a 22mm wrench. Loosen up the O2 sensor. Once you get it broken free, you should be able to do it by hand. And just slide the old one out. Now take the O2 sensor and get it started. And you can tighten it down. And you can torque this to 35 foot-pounds. Now take the connector and you want to route it back where it was plugged in. Line up the connector. And lock it down. That's good. Slide this in place. And then just make sure it's secure on the bracket right there. And that looks good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.